Good morning, everybody. It's Vlad here. Today we're going to be doing a clutch fan removal and putting a new one in my BMW 6 Series. So let's get started. It's going to be pretty fun and easy. So we start right here with the simple tools. Here's my fan clutch wrench set. Trust me, if you don't have it, you can do it without it. But this thing saves you so much time. I've done this countless times, and then these tools got lost. So I got another one, and we've got right here the mentioned fan clutch, the brand new one. So how this works is once it heats up to a certain temperature over here, locks the clutch into place so the fan spins fully with the engine. Now over time they do break and don't work, so the fan won't spin all the way, and at idle you're pretty much going to start slowly heating up. Fairly simple to do. It'll take us a few minutes, and even got a little bushing for my throttle cable, and I think it might not even be the right one. And it's a Euro part, but for some little small things like this, it's totally fine. And here it is, the mentioned beauty. Finally got it lowered on coilovers. Got some nice 3-piece rims. Thing is beautiful, especially after the paint job. So much work's been done to it. The coilovers are a fortune out of 500 thanks to Speed Academy. I looked up the specs and stuff for the E28 they got, and used it for my E24, and they ride amazing. They're so comfortable. I heard everyone says bad shit about coilovers, but these are so comfy. I love it. And this car is a gem. As you can see here, hood opens up nice and cool, and there you go. There's the beauty, the engine right there. And here is that part that is unfortunately not working. So you see it spins here, and the engine's pretty hot right now. I just drove it from my condo, and it still spins too much. It should not be spinning this much. So we're going to be changing that. And it seems we're going to be tightening these two bolts because they're loose. When you open the door, it goes click, 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 and I literally just saw right now that these guys are loose when you put a little bit of pressure on the door. It's going to be easy too. While I'm in the interior, let me just show you guys how everything looks. So this is a two-tone car, and as you can see, it is, some people call it mocha because it's a lighter brown on darker brown. It's not tan. A lot of cars you see that are tan. This is not. Handle is cracked right there, but I got a new one. It's a nutria color. As you can see, I got a new panel. Like everything works on this car. It's wonderful, especially after my transmission rebuild. But little things, you can clean it up here and there. I'll take care of it. You know, it's little things that count. It's like a brand new seal right here, makes the car look better. Doesn't drip rain or anything like that. And there it is. Let's get started. So let me show you how it's done. Pretty simple. You got the two big wrench here, and then you got this weird thing. So depending on your car, this is meant for many vehicles. You can use this side or this side. And you go right there. What you see is right here. You see these two bolts? You line it up there and there, and you hold the pulley in place. And while you hold the pulley in place, you grab your wrench and twist it. Now this is the opposite of a normal thread. It's a reverse threaded. So tightening it is actually to the left and loosening it is to the right. So I'll try to record it, but I'll need both hands for this. All right, now that we got the fan finally off, you can see the fan clutch is in the fan. You just untighten these bolts and you're good to go. So I've cleaned up the fan. Now it's nice and clean as best as I can. Soap and water. And here's the new fan clutch. Super simple. You just put it like that. Jig a little bit. There we go. It's in place. And screw it in and you're done. Now that this bad boy is good, we
just gently put it here. The scariest part is to not bend the radiator and not to screw anything else up, like drop the fan. You do not want to drop the fan. This is pretty hard because it's also extremely hot and annoying to do. You have to make sure your thread is in perfectly. You have to keep on screwing it in. You do not want to drop the fan. Let's see, it's slipping it now. Get this thing. And you pretty much just torque it down and you're good to go. Just hand tighten with both tools, same as you did originally. And that's it. So I hope you guys find that interesting. I already actually fixed the door. Forgot to record it, but it's just little bolts. So keep in touch for next time to see more of my videos on this car. Have a good day.